let's try this game. Okay, I'm already in a game. I have been bitten on my wrist. That is not nice. Okay, decent team. There's what a decent team. That guy seems good. This guy's probably good as well. Unlucky there. Hopefully I can lock in. Haven't been playing too well. Yeah, just unlucky there, to be fair. Let's check what's chats. No one's chatting in here then. This map again, I have literally just played on this map. Not my favourite right now. And I'm playing on PC, so I can inspect my beautiful F2. I'm gonna let that guy do his thing to what he's doing. Good stuff, my boy. No, it doesn't seem to be another one. Oh, he's getting too greedy. I need to lock in. Let's watch. Let's watch this guy. Seems to have CapCut's gun. There you go. He's got a kill. Not on our team though. Bad aim, but he got the kill. So I'm not complaining. As long as he gets the kill. On his last 3 bullets. Where do I go? Do I follow Mr. Myers? You know what, let's spawn here for now. I can always get up onto the roof if I want to. Let's reload that. If we lob a grenade in like that. Could go. It's all up to me, yes it is. He made me jump out of my boots right there. Gonna check in here. Oh. Hate it when they camp in there. Looked at him as well. I just didn't register. Oh well. I tried. Come on, team. Let's lock in now. Runs away like that. Good kills, teammate. Love that from your space. Oh, mate, it's every time I whip out the nade. If I just kept there holding it, I could have killed him. It's every time I whip out the nade. Right, that kill cam was rigged. Nowhere near my head. Game, so are your kill cams? Should someone be in the bathroom? Where are you shooting, mate? He was lost. She uses a chocolate teapot. Let's go up here. 4 kills, need more kills. Need more kills to carry these guys right there. I don't want to fall down there just yet. Just want to see what's going on down there. Who's down there? What's down there? What? Oh, so this person's cheating. Oh, right. This person, oh, yeah, nice. Right, okay. And I don't know how to report on chip PC. How do I report? Do I just go here? What's that one? Ah, report. Something they did, cheating, exploit hacks. Latent. It's not easy latent. Soft. Aim. What's her face?